Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be talking to you guys about multiple streams of income, which is something that I have been building up over the past 5 or so years that I have been growing my business and working as a freelancer and business owner and self-employed. So I thought it was really important, especially with like the climate that we're in at the moment, with the whole, I don't want to mention it, I'm trying to be positive and only positive thoughts and vibes, but it is something that we should think about and something that I've always thought about in the past, and that's the reason why I kind of wanted to set myself up for hopefully financial freedom in the near future. This is my 9 streams of income. So please remember guys that most of these are quite easy to set up. Anyone can do them. It's not just me. You don't have to be just a blogger. Obviously some of them you do, but I just want to let you guys know that I'm not special. You could be just like me. You can set up all of these. Don't feel like you're limited. All you need to do is set aside some time and be consistent and have resilience as well, because a lot of these incomes have been a long time coming. Like I had to set them up and be consistent with them for quite a few years for me to actually see a return on them now, which I am seeing, so that's great. So number 1 is YouTube. As you can tell, I've done quite a few videos up on YouTube and I have achieved a subscriber base of near to 10,000. I'm really aiming for 10,000 subscribers this year, but I do get paid from Google AdSense, but it's through the YouTube program. So once you hit a certain amount of subscribers, you should be able to earn an income from the amount of views you get on your video. So even if your video is 5 years old and you get a lot of views on that video, you will get paid consistently every month from that video. So it's passive income and it's a really good income stream if you can grow your channel and get a lot of views. So I really appreciate you viewing my video right now because it can contribute to an income for me. With YouTube at the moment I get paid quarterly, but my money does get stocked up every month. So at the end of the quarter they will pay me everything that I've made within that amount of time. But I do feel like if you hit the threshold every month, then you do get paid monthly from YouTube, and that goes straight into your account or by check. But I feel like no one would really go for the check option nowadays, but at the moment it can just go straight into your account. The second one is Instagram. Obviously Instagram is probably my most popular channel out of all my social medias. I have over 22,000 followers at the moment, and I get paid through brand sponsorship. So Instagram at the moment doesn't pay you directly, but brands will find you on Instagram and they will want to pay you to promote their products. I won't go into too much detail. That can be in another video. If you're interested in learning more about brand deals and stuff like that, let me know in the comments down below. But I do get paid from, for example, a brand will want you to be their brand ambassador, or a brand will want you to do a tutorial or take a picture with their product, and they will pay you for that. So that isn't a set income as such. It can be up and down depending on who approaches you. However, you can approach them too, so it's pretty much down to you as a creator to keep the consistency on your Instagram and social media channels to attract brands. You can also be paid. For example, I just started up a weekly thing where I'm helping out small businesses and bloggers who need a bit more traction to their pages. So on Sundays now I'm doing like a Sunday spot on my story where people can pay me an amount of £10 or £20 at the moment, just because I feel like a lot of small businesses are struggling, so they can pay me via my PayPal and send me their assets that they want to feature on my story, and I'll just put my story up freely for all of the people that are paying me for the ad spot on the Sunday. So last Sunday I had about 3 businesses that wanted to have their posts on my story so that they can advertise to their business. So that was a little stream of income, but I'll include that within Instagram. Another channel and website that you can go and sign up to is Famebit. So if you are a blogger right now, I would definitely recommend that you go to sign up to Famebit. It's basically like, it's like a marketplace like an eBay, but for brand sponsorships. So brands will advertise on there that they're looking for YouTubers or Instagrammers to promote their product. You then apply for that job as such, and then if they accept you, you get paid to do that job. So the next one is Google Ads, and that is to do with your website. So if you have a blog, you can put ads within your what do you call it, code. And so it's like a HTML code that you put on your website, and it will say, Google just chooses what ads they think will work well on your website. So sometimes, say I would have like a Pretty Little Thing ad, and whoever clicks on that ad and buys something, I think it's actually, if they just click on the ad, I will get a bit of income from that, so you get commission to do with that. All of these things that I'm mentioning are free to sign up for, so you don't have to put any money into. Number 4 is my natural hair starter kit. So that is a business that I've started on the side of my blog, and basically it is a box full of the stuff that you would need for your natural hair journey. I'll put the link to that video down below, and the kit. So that is basically a business of mine, so I get paid obviously every time someone buys a box. Number 5 is my hair care consultation. So I do one-on-ones with people that need help with their hair, and they pay me for that time and the time that it takes me to help them with their hair. So that's another way you can set up like a consulting service, whether it be with business or whatever niche you're in, fitness, fashion, anyone can set up a consultation business. So number 6 is Amazon KDP, and that is self-publishing a book through Amazon. So I wrote my book Get My Curls Back a few years ago, and basically anytime someone buys the book through Amazon, I get a commission from that sale. I don't get the full amount of sales because Amazon does take a percentage just for the fact that they kind of uploaded the book to the system and they are selling the book. So they take a commission, but I do get paid monthly from my book sales. Number 7 is affiliate marketing. Now this is a really good passive income. It does take a bit of work to set up at first, but it is a good passive income. So basically, if I sign up to a brand's affiliate program, they will give you a special link, and whenever someone clicks on that link and buys a product from that website, you will get a commission, whether it be 10% of the sale or 20% of the sale. Anyone can sign up to do affiliate marketing, whether you have a blog or not. You can just simply send that link to friends or family through WhatsApp. If you have a big community of friends and family, or you run like a forum or something, affiliate marketing would be good for you because you'll get an income as soon as someone buys something that you recommend. I would recommend the Amazon affiliate program, the Amazon Associates program. That's a really good one because the link stays tracking the person for 30 days. So even if they don't buy the product that you recommended, if they buy, say, a TV or something instead of like a hair product, you'll still get commission from that TV sale within the 30 days. So Amazon Associates is a really good one. They pay again into your bank account monthly. Another website is called Awin, and that is again like a marketplace, so you can sign up to like the Canon, Pretty Little Thing, ASOS, all different affiliate programs, and you'll get paid a commission once someone clicks on the ad or uses your link. And again, some brands actually have affiliate programs. So for example, my brand Oso Curly could have one. I know Treasure Tress and Curly Box have ones. I've signed up to the Curly Box one before, and I used to get a commission from that every month, which is really good. So definitely just look out for affiliate programs. Number 8 is Oso Curly, which is my baby. That's my business. At the moment, I don't pay myself from Oso Curly, but again, in the long run, it is going to be a stream of income, and I can take money out of it whenever I feel I need to, but usually I reinvest my profits into the business. And the last stream, number 9, is a part-time job. So I used to work at an estate agent's as front of house receptionist full-time for a few years back in 2016, yeah. And then when I left that job to pursue my blogging career, I was actually lucky to be able to have the option to work flexible shifts on a Saturday. So every month I can say what shifts I want to work, and then I can work that, and that's another stream of side income for me, where I only work like 1 day a week. So that works out really great for me. But I just think if you're someone like me, having a part-time job is really good also. Another thing that acts as a part-time job is also like a freelancing job. So I do social media management for a brand, and you can also advertise your services to other brands for social media marketing. Anything you have a skill in, you can then advertise yourself to a brand and see if they would be willing to pay you for that service. So definitely think about freelancing or having any kind of part-time job. Those are my streams of income at the moment, and my plans for the future are to set up a digital course. So I want to have like a digital masterclass or digital course and more books that people can just go onto my website and buy. Again, that's something that I will invest time into once and then get paid for over and over again passively. So that's something I really want to do. I also want to invest into stocks and get paid by like dividends and that kind of stuff. I'm a complete newbie to that, but that's something I want to get into this year. Amazon FBA, which is when you upload products to Amazon without holding the stock and you just get paid whenever someone buys your brand. And the last one I want to do is events. Last year and the year before I did put on a series of brunches which people paid for to come, and I like provided the service, the food, the drinks, and basically just the company and the advice that I gave at the event. So I definitely want to do events once this whole thing is over, and that will be another stream of income for me. So I hope this video really inspired you guys and gave you some ideas for maybe some incomes you can use within this time to set up, or just brainstorm and be inspired for some things that you may want to do in the future or do as a side hustle. If you have any further questions or things you want me to go into more detail with, please let me know in the comments down below. And as always guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.